start with chapter 9 for class 7, Soil. Soil is an important natural resource. It supports growth of plants by holding roots and supply water and nutrients. It is essential for agriculture, which provides food, clothing and shelter for all. Layers of soil. Take a glass of water and add soil in it. After some time you will get following layers: humus, water, clay, sand and gravel. The rotten dead matter in soil is called humus. Soil formed by breaking down of rocks by action of wind, water and climate is called weathering. A vertical section through different layers of soil is called soil profile. Each layer differ in feel, color, depth and chemical composition. These layers are referred to as horizons. First is A horizon, also called topsoil. It is soft, porous, fertile, dark in color, provide nutrients and can retain more water. Harder and more compact is B horizon. C horizon is made up of small pieces of rocks with cracks. Bedrock is the hardest and difficult to dig with spade. The mixture of rock particles and humus is called soil. On the basis of proportion of particles, soil is divided into three parts: sandy, clay and loamy. If soil contains greater proportion of big particle, it is called sandy soil. If proportion of fine particle is greater, then it is called clay soil, and proportion of particles is same, then it is called loamy soil. Loamy soil has right water holding capacity for the growth of plants. Percolation rate of water in soil. Percolation rate equals to amount of water divided by percolation time. For example, for a certain sample, it took 20 minutes for 200 ml to percolate. Rate of percolation will be 10 ml per minute. Percolation rate of water is different in different types of soil. It is highest in sandy soil and least in the clay soil. On heating of the soil, water in soil evaporates, moves up and condenses on inner wall of the boiling tube. In summer, vapor coming out of the soil reflects sunlight and air above the soil seems to shimmer. Percentage of water absorbed by the soil equals to U minus V into 100 divided by weight of soil, where U equals to initial volume and V is final volume of water in ml. Removal of land surface by water, wind or ice is called soil erosion. Due to this, there is no vegetation. So, cutting of trees and deforestation should be avoided and increase green areas. Soil holds water in it, which is called soil moisture. The capacity of a soil to hold water is important for various crops. Clay and loam are suitable for growing wheat, gram and paddy. Cotton is growing in sandy loam soil. Clay soil is used to make pots, toys and statues. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and